Hey YouTube, this is Gaming Habitat, or sometimes I'm known by my art handle Brain Nectar on the internet. And today I want to show you a way that you could turn black and white, as if by magic, into color through a free software called Krita. So first, what you want to do is, I'm going to use this as an example, is you have like your black and white studies, and it's preferable like if you separate it by layers, because by layers it's just going to be easier to go in there and do whatever you need and not like have to mess around. So go to like this part right here, because I know it has like settings over here, but this is for something else. So you're gonna want to go and select color over here, and then you can, well, get the brush you prefer. I might use this one. I'm using David Revoy's brush pack, by the way. You can find that on the Krita website. And select the shade of color you want. In this case, I have a very sunny, summery kind of beach setting. So I need, I don't know. It's kind of not quite the shade I was going for. Maybe this? Almost. But another thing I wanted to point out is, even though like I'm looking for like different colors and all, it's still kind of going to be the same, like the same tone or light value, because this isn't changing. This isn't going to change the really the value of it. It just changes the color. So it leaves the value. So if you have like a dark gray or a light gray, it's going to surface itself out into your color. So it won't change that really. Um, all right. Like as you can see, it kind of goes over that. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I did not select color on there. But if I did, you'd see this happen, and you kind of probably see a problem. So another thing you can do is you can also select. It should select what you want it to select. There we go. Unfortunately, it looks like it's almost the same shade of blue. But since it's the sky and the water reflects off the sky, this isn't too big of a problem realistically. But as for the choice I wanted, it's not quite what I wanted. And you can see like I kind of got some Jack and Daxter vibes going on here, but this is kind of like a modern day, if modern day met reality, not reality, but like fantasy. So modern day versus video game fantasy. And then here, um, person in the foreground. I'll just